Hey guys, it's Tats here from Castagra. And when I first started playing competitive tennis, I would have these matches when I would race ahead and get the lead, like 5-2, and then I'd find some way to lose it. And I couldn't quite figure out what I was doing. But I eventually did, and what was happening is I would play a certain way to get to the position where I was about to win, and then I would change my approach. I'd go from trying to win to trying not to lose. It's a very subtle shift, but mentally you're just thinking that, just if I win one more game, and then I would alter my game. And a sports psychologist, a well-known sports psychologist, gave me a great tip. He said, okay, in order to deal with this, one quick thing you can do is just flip the score. If you're up 5-2, flip the score. Pretend you have 2 and the opponent has 5. Really simple. And thinking back, that was a very good strategy and it helped me get through that. But now think about your entrepreneurial journey, your business. Most people, when they have a series of successive wins, they take their foot off the pedal, slow down a bit. So think about it this way. If you want to break through, flip the score. When you're doing well and you have a series of wins, of course, get yourself a slight pat on the back. But if you want to keep going, just flip the script and say, you know what? I just had 3 bad events. I need to really get back into this and push. And then just push right through it. So you're not easing off the pedal, and you keep driving forward. Try that. See if it works. Just a little funny little trick, and it served you well. So anyways, talk to you soon.